Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna make a high protein strawberry and peach shake. And all you need is your blender. You start with 1 cup of plant milk. Just get 2 cups of fruit. Now, it can be frozen or it can be fresh, but just use 2 cups, okay? Into it goes. Put in 2 medjool dates, pitted, 2.5 tablespoons of hemp seed, and 2 teaspoons of ground chia seeds and 2 teaspoons of ground flax seed. Get it all, every single crumb, put it in there. Here it is too. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and then the last thing is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I like adding cinnamon to my shakes. If you don't like cinnamon, leave it out. So put the lid on, we're gonna blend it up. I usually blend for about a minute because I use strawberries and they have those tiny little seeds and they can get ground up in there pretty well. Not perfectly, but pretty well. I'm not going to get it all because it all won't fit in this glass. But this recipe was inspired by healthy vegan eating on Instagram. I'm going to taste it now. Guys, this was also inspired by my son Evan, who goes to the gym. He wants to eat more protein and he really wants to do it more plant-based, but he eats meat. This is absolutely delicious. Okay, it's roughly around 13 grams of protein. And as I was trying it and playing around with the recipe, I have enjoyed it. And what I found out for me, now I don't know if this will happen for you, but I found out I didn't want to eat as much because, I don't know, maybe it was the protein or what, but I went for a longer period of time without eating and getting hungry and even thinking about food than when I ate one of these. That's it. That's the end of the video. And I just want to say, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And leave me some comments below about what you think. You might want to try it, okay? It's really good. Bye for now.